Every year, Lebanon generates enough construction and demolition waste to fill more than 8 to 10 Rawshi rocks in solid concrete, or equivalent to 220 Olympic-sized pools. That's 1.65 million tons of concrete, masonry, and metal. Yet, less than 10% is recycled. Most ends up dumped in rivers, valleys, or quarries, polluting the environment, clogging drains, and threatening public health. Over 75% of this material is concrete and blocks. Around 10% is metal. These aren't waste, they're reusable resources. It's time we stop calling it construction and demolition waste and start seeing it as material, CDM. Recycling CDM can reduce environmental damage and conserve our natural landscapes, create green jobs and boost the local and national economy, lower construction costs, improve public health, support climate mitigation and adaptation. Right now, we're burying materials we could reuse and damaging our economy and ecosystems in the process. Countries like the Netherlands, Belgium, Denmark, and Germany recycle over 90% of their CDM. They require on-site sorting, support recycling hubs, and use digital tracking systems. We can adapt these practices to Lebanon's need. Lebanon can recycle up to 80% of its CDM and turn it into various products such as concrete blocks, cement aggregates, paving stones, tiles, bricks, and road foundations. Lebanese entrepreneurs can innovate even further, creating new products from recycled materials. The AUB Nature Conservation Center is proposing a national plan to audit demolition projects, build regional recycling hubs, integrate recycled materials into public construction, incentivize private reuse, and create jobs. The goal? Reach 80% of CDM recycling in 10 years. Change requires all of us. Government must regulate and incentivize to attract investors and innovators. Private sector must invest and build the industry. Developers and contractors must engage and use recycled aggregates in their projects. Recyclers must certify. Citizens must demand better for their environment, health, and economy. This material is not waste. It's a resource,